Hello everyone. So, what's going on? I hope you are doing great and also ready for the next session of AI. This is also the part of Unit 1 Introduction to AI. And in this unit, we are doing fundamental concepts of AI. This is the last session of this part, and we are talking about the applications of AI and the technologies which resembles AI but actually not, and their integration. So first, I'm showing you few lines which we know and always start our answer whenever we are writing about applications of AI. We know that we are surrounded by machines that work on AI. Machines are becoming a crucial part of our everyday life, and machines help us to do our work easier, faster, and more enhanced. So, machines provide us with the ease of having even some of the most complicated and time consuming tasks being done at the touch of a button or by the simple use of a sensor. So, these are the few basic points which we are writing whenever writing about applications of AI. Now I am showing you the examples like this Google search. Google search suggests whenever we are typing any search criteria in on Google application. So this is the very common example of AI. Yes, it's AI. So how it is writing? It is writing this by the with the previous history search history of our Google search, and by optimizing the result it can give us suggestions. So this is example of AI. Similarly, autocorrect of Google search is also the example of AI. Whenever we writing any wrong sentence, wrong phrase, wrong word on Google search, it will give us suggestion. So it is also an example of AI. Okay, so we surf the internet for things on Google without realizing how efficiently Google always responds to us with accurate answers. Not only does it come with the result to our search in a matter of seconds, it also suggests and autocorrects our typed sentences. These two are applications of AI. Now recognize this. Yes, yes, yes. I know. You all know. It is the navigation services available in our vehicles and also in our digital devices like phone. Google Map is the most common navigation service available in our devices. Yes, it is AI. As we know, whenever we are using Google Map for navigation purposes, it stores our search history, it stores our previous navigation history, and utilizing that it will give us suggestions also. It collect the database of traffic jams and the locations, directions, and give us results accordingly. So it is also AI. Can you recognize this? Yes, it's Siri. Siri is the smart assistant. One more. Can you recognize this one? Yes, yes, yes. It's Alexa. Another smart assistant. One more. Cortana. Cortana is also a pocket assistant. So these, one more. Yes, Google Assistant, the Android one. So these are the smart assistants, visual assistant, or you can say pocket assistants that can do a lot of tasks at just one command and one voice command. And these are some very common examples of voice assistants which are a major part of our digital devices. So these are also working on AI. The part of AI which is utilized, which are used with these services are NLP, natural language processing, which will be covered in the next sessions, next coming sessions. So visual assistants are also the part of AI. Now this one, watch the video and then we will talk about it.
Overhauled Opposition AI gives you a more intelligent opponent to play against in every match you play. New tackling, player switching, and marking logic makes opposition defences harder to break down. And at the other end of the pitch, more intelligent attackers have a stronger understanding of dribbling and passing to keep you on your toes from game to game.
So I think you can understand what is it. Yes, it's FIFA 21, the example of AI enhanced gaming. So top 16 games with this best AI. I'm also going to show you this video, but I will not show it completely. You can watch it later as I have shared this presentation with you. Just have.
Gaming Bowl presents 16 games with incredible artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can make or break a video game. That's no exaggeration. Good AI can elevate an average game to an excellent one, while at the same time, bad AI can turn a great concept into a poorly executed mess. Immersion, challenge, thrill, enjoyment, atmosphere, there are so many things that are dependent on a game's AI, which is why when we say that AI is perhaps one of the most important aspects of any modern video game, you know we're not being hyperbolic. Just like anything else in the video games industry though, there are some developers and video games that handle artificial intelligence much better than others. Here in this list, we've compiled what we feel are the 16 games with the best.
Yes, FIFA, The Last of Us, etc. gaming. These are enhanced gaming examples which are using AI. AI has completely enhanced the gaming experience for its users. A lot of games like FIFA nowadays are backed up with AI, which helps in enhancing the graphics with the new difficulty level, encourage gamers. तो इन गेम्स में ये जो अब आप ऑनलाइन गेम्स खेल रहे हो उसमें आपको अपने आप एक्सपीरियंस होगा कि जब भी आप गेम खेल रहे हो तो आपके गेमिंग पैटर्न पे वो गेमिंग गेम्स जो हैं उनमें इन्हेंसमेंट होते चले जाते हैं और आउट ऑफ वर्ल्ड जितने ऑनलाइन गेम्स हैं ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड जितने भी ऑनलाइन गेम्स हैं और यूजर्स उनको प्ले कर रहे हैं उनके प्ले गेमिंग पैटर्न पे उनकी डिफिकल्टी लेवल भी अपडेट होती रहती है. सो दीज आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ एआई एंड आल्सो ग्राफिक्स आप उनका देखो और डिफिकल्टी लेवल और गेमर को इनकरेज करने के जो उसमें तरीके हैं वो सारे quite enhanced because of AI. So this is also an example of AI. Whenever you're writing applications, you can write it. Can you recognize this one? Yeah, the car, the vehicle without any driver. So what is it? It's self-driving car or you can say smart car. The cars, the vehicles which are now going to be self-driven. How? Yes, by AI. Car manufacturers are looking at integrating AI with automobiles to provide seamless services of various technologies that we use. Information is being shared and communicated between the cars to managers themselves, better amidst the traffic, and input around traffic. Real-time updates on roadblocks, etc., are immediately being transmitted to alert the other vehicles on the grid, enabling rerouting. तो इसमें बहुत सारी सर्विसेज हैं जो स्मार्ट कार के अंडर में आती हैं. नॉट ओनली द ड्राइविंग, सेल्फ ड्राइविंग के साथ साथ जो एक रियल टाइम ट्रैफिक अपडेट आता है, रियल टाइम जो रोड ब्लॉक्स के इनपुट आ रहे हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एआई वर्क. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स विच इज in the developing phase, which are in the developing phase. Now another example, yes, this is the shopping website, e-commerce website and Google shopping या Google products पे भी आप देख सकते हो. Whenever you are searching anything which you need to purchase or which you need to yes book, whenever you are booking any hotel, any laundry, then you can see Google will give you suggestions, and this suggestion based on your previous purchases, your previous search history and your basic information. Like if you are female, you will get information about according to your gender, your age, your location, your search history, your purchasing history. So all these things will utilized by AI to give you suggestions on these advertisements pages. So Amazon, Flipkart, etc. advertisements are based on AI nowadays. AI has not only made our lives easier but has also been taking care of our habits, likes and dislikes. On the pattern of our habits, likes and dislike, it gives you suggestions. That is why platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. show us recommendations on the basis of what we like. Now this one, yes, it's Spotify. There are many apps, music and video streaming apps available in our phones and digital devices, which give you suggestions, weekly suggestion or daily suggestion about your uh, play. For your watching, for your listening, means it also update a database of your likes, dislikes and watching and listening history, and give you suggestion accordingly. So Spotify is also an example of AI utilizing your um, uh, previous history. And this is the smart TV, it is also working on the same way. So in music and video streaming, smart TV, these are AI, while YouTube recommendations and suggested playlist on music apps have been around for some time, one can see these recommendations becoming more relevant to your likes as the time goes on. आप देखते हो ना YouTube पे, आप अगर YouTube ओपन करते हो, जैसे ही आपने अपने कोई वीडियो सर्च करना है और आपने कुछ लिखा, तो आप देखते हो उसी से रिलेटेड कुछ सजेशन आ जाते हैं. सपोज आप AI के लिए कुछ चैप्टर पढ़ना है, आपने लिखा CBSE. आई एम गिविंग एग्जाम्पल ऑफ चैप्टर, लेकिन यू कैन सर्च फॉर वीडियो ऑल्सो, सॉन्ग एक्सेट्रा. आपने लिखा CBSE क्लास 10th AI, आपको सिमिलर एग्जाम्पल मिल जाएंगे जो आप अभी कर रहे हो या आपने पहले देखे थे, और अगर जो मोस्ट पॉपुलर हैं. और इसी तरह से अगर मैं एक एग्जाम्पल भी दे सकती हूँ कि अगर तुम गूगल पे सर्च करो और आपने अपना अकाउंट यूज किया है, एंड you are female and you have written some search on shirts, shoes, etc., it will give you the suggestion according to your gender, according to age. And whenever you are typing anything, whenever any child or any man typing that search on Google, then it will give the suggestion according to his gender and age. तो ये तुरंत नहीं होगा. अगर वो सर्च करते हैं रेगुलरली, उनके सर्च हो रहे हैं, उनकी प्रीवियस सर्च हिस्ट्री है, देन AI कैन कैलकुलेट ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो इट विल वर्क on AI. So these apps are also using AI. Instagram, Facebook, these social media platforms are also giving you suggestions in the form of notification. You are getting regular notifications, something your previous post which you have watched and you have accessed is, according to that, according to the history of your this access is notifications based on Instagram, Facebook, social media, social feeds. AI very much controls the feeds that we get to see while browsing through social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or the notifications that you receive. तो ये भी आप लिख सकते हो AI applications में. Next is, what is this? ये भी डेवलपिंग फेज में है और बहुत छोटे छोटे पार्ट इसके आ रहे हैं और बहुत सारी यूटिलाइज भी हो रहे हैं इन अदर कंट्रीज. यस, इट्स स्मार्ट होम. स्मार्ट होम इज एक्चुअली AI and integrated with IoT. IoT means Internet of Things. How it works? अच्छा, स्मार्ट होम का मतलब कोई होम, एक बिल्डिंग का स्मार्ट होना नहीं है. स्मार्ट होम मीन्स ऑल द अप्लायंसेस, ऑल द डिवाइसेस एंड ऑल द things which we are using in home is now AI based or now smart. So this is a smart home. So you can see in this panel the person is changing the daytime or the weather. तो आप ये देख रहे हो ना कि अगर आपने देखा वेदर आपका सनी है या आपका वेदर क्लाउडी है, तो उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आपके रूम का सारा एनवायरनमेंट, उसका आपकी लाइटिंग, टेम्परेचर, एवरीथिंग विल बी चेंज्ड. इवन अब तो स्मार्ट विंडो आ रहा है कि बाहर का जो भी लाइटिंग है, बाहर का जो वेदर है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग विंडो के कलर चेंज हो जाते हैं. स्मार्ट कर्टन आ रहे हैं. So all these appliances, all these things are the example of a smart home. And you can control it also from your phone. So if you are not at home and children are at home, then you can also control your smart home with your phone. So that's why it is based on, I'm telling you that it is also integrated with IoT, Internet of Things. Alexa and Bixby are the topmost companies which are providing the smart home appliances. And use Alexa and Bixby using AI in developing a smart home, not just limited to these smart voice assistant. Yes, Alexa is also the part of that. Alexa, Cortana, सब जितने भी आपके smart assistants हैं, These are integrated with the thermostat devices that make use of AI to automatically adjust the temperature. तो टेम्परेचर एडजस्टमेंट के लिए थर्मोस्टेट डिवाइसेस हैं. AI एप्लीकेशंस दैट कंजर्व एनर्जी बाय ऑटोमेटिकली स्विचिंग ऑन ऑफ द लाइट्स बेस्ड ऑन ह्यूमन प्रेजेंस. ये भी उसमें एक पार्ट है उसका, स्विचिंग ऑन ऑफ जो ऑटोमेट कर रहा है. स्मार्ट स्पीकर्स हैं, एप्स हैं दैट चेंज द कलर ऑफ द लाइट बेस्ड ऑन द टाइम ऑफ द डे. These are few of the applications where AI is being used to make the homes smarter. Another example. Yes, this is your phone. Whenever you are typing in your phone and writing something and something misspelled, the phone will give you suggestion. Phone means your autocorrect services will give you the suggestion. This is also an example of AI as Google search. And also when you are typing mail, in the mail body, whenever you are starting any mail, as you have written the email address of the person to whom you want to send the mail, after writing the name of the person, it has given you the suggestion, hey Evan and Malaika. So it means Google watching everything whatever you are doing on computer, on digital devices, and accordingly it will give you the suggestions. And whatever you want to write, yes, it know, because it know how you are writing, your writing pattern, your previous history of mailing. So accordingly it will give you the suggestion. It is very common example of AI. So autocorrect, mailing suggestions are come under the category of smart input. So these applications are known as a smart input. So smart input is also the part of AI. What is this? Something on vision, visual. Yes, it is face recognition app. Face recognition app. Similar app is object recognition, location recognition, image recognition, face recognition, object recognition, location recognition. So these type of apps, these type of services come under the category of security and surveillance. So all these based on computer vision domain of AI. The thought of AI does bring notions of it being used for larger scale surveillance. तो इसका फायदा क्या हो रहा है, AI का यूज हम इसके लिए कर सकते हैं, सर्विलेंस के लिए, सिक्योरिटी के लिए, कि अगर आपका कहीं पर आप फोकस करते हो और आपको रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर पा रहे हो पर्सन कौन है, तो आपके पास अगर प्रीवियस डेटाबेस मेंटेन है कुछ, तो उसी के अकॉर्डिंग वो AI उसके बेस पे हर एक का फेस रिकॉग्नाइज करके आपको नाम बता सकता है, ऑब्जेक्ट्स बता सकता है, लोकेशन बता सकता है. आप किसी बाहर के कंट्री में हो और आप अपने फ़ोन को स्मार्ट लेंस अगर खोलते हो, इसका स्मार्ट सर्च खोलते हो और गूगल लेंस के थ्रू आप वहाँ की लोकेशन इजीली फोकस करके उसका नाम पता लग जाएगा आपको. सो व्हाई एथिक्स इन द केस ऑफ ethics in the case of debate, it is known fact that AI is used increasingly in this domain. हमें पता है कि बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं यहाँ एथिक्स भी आते हैं जिनको हमें ध्यान रखना होगा कि आपने किसी भी चीज को आप रिकॉग्नाइज कर ले, किसी भी लोकेशन को, मीन्स एवरीथिंग इज ओपन नाउ. Monitoring the immense feed being transmitted from various cameras and other devices not only a cumbersome activity but also has its limitations. So कभी भी security purpose से monitoring करनी होती है तो जितने लोग आ रहे हैं जा रहे हैं, मान लो एयरपोर्ट है, ट्रेन, रेलवे स्टेशन है, इतना कुछ या कुछ स्पेशल इवेंट्स पे जब हम मॉनिटरिंग कर रहे हैं तो इतना बड़ा डेटाबेस फीड करना और उसको जो है सेंड करना और उसको मेंटेन करना एक कम्बसम टास्क होता है, विच इज पॉसिबल विद AI नाउ. AI यूजेस टेक्नोलॉजीज लाइक फेस रिकॉग्निशन, ऑब्जेक्ट एंड लोकेशन रिकॉग्निशन एक्सेट्रा टू मॉनिटर द इनपुट्स रिसीव्ड एंड एनालाइज देम. Yes, this is the example of chatbot for all ages. So few examples are Endurance, Caspers, etc. So chatbots are also an example of AI. Chatbots have become extraordinarily popular in recent years, largely due to dramatic advancement in machine learning and other underlying technologies such as natural language processing. Natural language processing means NLP. तो NLP जिसमें हम ह्यूमन लैंग्वेज, नेचुरल लैंग्वेज की प्रोसेसिंग करते हैं, दिस इज अ डोमेन ऑफ AI. And chatbot is the most common example of NLP. Today's chatbots are smarter, more responsive and more useful, and we are likely to even more of them in the coming years. हमें chatbot का पहले एक बस पता था, जैसे इंक्वायरी सर्विसेज होती थी ना, आपने कुछ किया वेबसाइट पे आपको कुछ अपनी इंक्वायरी डालनी है या अपनी कोई कंप्लेंट डालनी है, कुछ फीडबैक देना है, आप चैटबॉट ओपन करते हो, आपको 4 क्वेश्चन देगा, आप उस पर सेलेक्ट करते हो, आंसर देता है। एक प्रोग्राम्ड चैटबॉट देखते थे। Nowadays you will experience a smarter chatbot. I will give you few examples in when we will cover the NLP section, and you will also experience the chatting with chatbots. Okay, I am stopping my video here, and I will start the next video with that slide, as you cannot watch this session for a longer time.